Ramadan is coming soon.
I am so happy! I love Ramadan!
It is a special time for our family.
We need to prepare many things.
What should we do first?
First, let's talk about fasting.
Fasting means no food or water?
Yes, from sunrise to sunset.
Fasting helps us learn patience. Patience like waiting?
Yes, exactly. Patience is being strong, right? Is this right, Daddy?
Exactly, Lily. You are right.
Now, let's plan our healthy meals. We need healthy food for suhoor.
Is suhoor the morning meal?
Yes, it is. The meal before dawn.
Yes, it gives us energy for the day.
We must buy some dates, too.
I love sweet dates!
Let's go to the market now.
Sounds good.
Yay!
The market is very busy today.
Look at all those dates!
We want the best dates, please.
Of course, these are the finest.
These look delicious and healthy.
These will make our home beautiful.
Now the house is ready!
Let's read the Quran together.
The Quran gives us peace.
I love the sound of your voice, Mom.
It is important to understand the words.
Now, let's learn a simple dua.
What is a dua?
A dua is a prayer to Allah.
Yes, we ask for help and say thanks.
A dua is talking to God.
We say, "Thank you, God, for everything."
Thank you, God, for everything.
That is a beautiful dua, Lily.
I feel calm.
It is time to sleep soon.
Time for suhoor, everyone!
This food is very yummy.
Water is very important for fasting.
Dates give us strength.
I am ready for Ramadan!
We are a happy family.
Ramadan brings us together.
Happy Ramadan to everyone!
Ramadan Kareem!